Beginner-friendly guide, space and time. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through a beginner-friendly tutorial on space and time, the decentralized data warehouse that's making waves in the crypto space. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect, query, and interact with the space and time network. Section 1. What is space and time? 020 to 045. On-screen space and time. Website UI plus logos of partners, e.g. Microsoft Chainlink. Space and Time is a decentralized data warehouse designed for Web3 apps. Think of it like a supercharged, back-end database, but trustless and verifiable. It enables smart contracts to run complex queries without centralized servers. It's backed by big players like Microsoft and Chainlink. Section 2. Setting up. 045 to 110. On screen. MetaMask install greater than Goerli or Sepolia faucet for ETH. First, you'll need a MetaMask wallet. Install it from metamask.io and switch to a testnet like Sepolia or Goerli to start experimenting. You can get free ETH from a testnet faucet. Section 3. Sign up and access. 110 to 140. On screen. Space and time.io greater than sign up and console interface. Next, go to spaceandtime.io and click sign up. You'll be redirected to their data console. Connect your wallet and choose a project name. Boom, you're in the Space and Time dashboard. Beginner friendly. Guide, space, and time. Section 4. Running your first query. 140 to 220. On screen, SQL query UI, table list, result preview. In the console, go to the Query tab. You can select from sample datasets or upload your own. Try this simple. Query, select from eth.transactions. Limit 10. This will show you real Ethereum transactions stored on the platform. Section 5. Integrate with smart contracts. 220 to 250 on screen. Smart contract plus API snippets. What makes space and time powerful is that you can integrate these queries directly into smart contracts using APIs or Chainlink oracles. This lets dApps access real, off-chain data in a trustless way. Outro, 250 to 3. On screen, like subscribe, comment icons. If you're building on Web3 and want decentralized data at scale, Space and Time is your go-to. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more Web3 guides, and drop your questions below.